Now, I want to move on to a Mac debut. Is that
Yes,
right?
That's correct, yeah.
And this is one of the coolest things ever. The rail system, which must make setting up your machine ultra quick.
So we've had a huge amount of interest in this system this week. This is absolutely brand new from LANG, and it's a patented product, so we're the only people that are supplying this. The idea of it is that it's supposed to reduce the cost of covering your machine tool with 0 point. So if you've got a 3-axis VMC, for instance, you can bolt one of these rails or multiples of these rails onto a T-slot, and then what you're able to do is to move your work holding around on that rail, and it will clamp onto the rail and repeat within 5 microns, just the same as it would with our standard 0 point. But it gives you the flexibility of moving those vices or fixtures or whatever you want in 4mm increments along your x-axis, of the machine.
And also that must be a really cost-effective way of doing that, because let's be honest, how much would it cost you to fill your entire table? Let's say you've got quite a big VMC, 1 metre by 1/2 metre. For you to get a 0 point plate or 0 point plates to fill that entire table is going to be quite a pretty penny, where this system, like I said, bolting into the T-slot, and you can have multiple vices on that rail. It's going to be more cost effective for people that don't want to take that huge step into 0 point, but also be more productive.
Yeah, it definitely is. I mean, it definitely reduces the cost of getting the 0 point locations onto the machine, but not only does it reduce the cost, it also is a lot more flexible, because rather than being limited, should we say, to the 96 or 52mm grid pattern, you have 4mm increments that you can clamp this at. So if you have a part where you need support down the entire length of the part, you can literally put vices completely butted up right against each other to support that part all the way along your x-axis. So, I mean, as I say, we've had a huge amount of interest in this, and I think anyone who knows our stuff already will know that it's good quality. And also, if they've got a 3-axis machine, so maybe they're using our macro grip stuff on their 5-axis, this just opens up options of them putting it onto their vertical mills as well as having them on the 5-axis.